Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Made with Love video. Today I have a really cute box card for you. This is my teddy bear and flowers box card. How adorable is this card? You have that sweet teddy bear in the middle. He's holding the flowers. There's a little Be Mine Valentine in an envelope right there in the front. Just a really fun Valentine's design. It folds flat for mailing. There's a spot on the back for your message, and of course I included envelope as well. Every year when we do events like this, the box cards are always super popular, and I can't wait to show this to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get into the materials. Okay, for this project you're going to need your CRICUT cutting machine, your light grip or standard grip cutting mat, your scoring wheel or scoring stylus, a weeding tool, scraper, brayer, glue and adhesive, and your cardstock. Now that we know what materials we're going to need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Made with Love 2025. If you're watching this video during the event, you can find the download button on the event page. If you're watching this video after the event has ended, you can purchase the individual cut file in my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com. If you're interested in access to all 12 event files, plus bonus cut files, printable worksheets, and commercial licensing, you can find out more information about the VIP Access Pass for Made with Love 2025 in the description box below. No matter how you download the file, make sure that you download the file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer. Click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that the project has been brought into our canvas, we can ungroup the design. We have some converting to do to some of the score lines, so let's scroll down the Layers panel and find the envelope. Click on this icon, highlight the top layer, come up to the Operation menu and change that to Score. Highlight the group and attach. We need to do the same thing to the outside box piece. And the inside tab piece. Once those 3 pieces have been converted, go ahead and click Make. And you can see the different mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this card. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, so I have everything all cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to fold and burnish the outside box piece. Just like that. I'll set that to the side for a minute. Now let's go ahead and mat and layer the messaging panel. Now we can flip the outside box piece over and attach the messaging panel to the back. And we can set that to the side. Now we can go ahead and layer the inside tab piece together. Before we do that, I'm going to fold and burnish the score lines. And there we go. I'll set that to the side. And now we can go ahead and mat and layer the front cover panel. Now I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer all these different pieces together. But from back to front, you're going to start with the solid red, then the black little circle, the cream, light brown, dark brown, white, pink, and then beige. I'm going to speed up the video just a little bit while I put everything together, and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm all done. And there is our cute front cover panel. I'm going to set that to the side so that can go ahead and dry. Let's grab the outside box piece and the inside tab piece. I'm going to start here on the left hand side and add glue to this left tab. And I'm going to attach it right here on this left side. I'm lining up the bottom edge as well as right here on that score line, folding it down, and then I will do the same thing to the right side. Give the card a fold both ways just to make sure that everything is sitting properly. Just like that. Now let's add glue to the left front tab. Attach the left side of that front cover panel. And repeat for the right side. And there we have our card. I will set that to the side so it can go ahead and dry. Now let's make our envelope. For the envelope, we're going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Now let's take our inlay panel and glue along the outer edge of the inlay. Flip the inlay over and place it over the cutout on the envelope flap. Spin the envelope around. Go ahead and fold those side flaps in. Add glue to the bottom of the side flaps. With your thumbs, go ahead and push up and press. And that forms our envelope. And our box card is all set. How fun was this box card to make? That teddy bear is so cute. So much fun. I hope that you like it. If you make this card, I hope that you share it with us in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Made with Love video. Bye-bye.